Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have the Bellemain, and it is a meat pounder. I like the way that sounds. But okay, so it has an easy grip and good control, and you can pound with both sides of it. Let's see what that even means. So let's check this out. Sorry, I gotta get it out of the box here. Why is there something stuck in the box? Oh, packing card. I guess, see, it's got this stuff here to just keep it in place. Okay. And so this is what the meat pounder looks like here. So we've got a very heavy meat pounder. Man, that's got some weight to it. I don't know what it means by it pounds both sides. Let's see, does it say anything? Pound both sides. Enjoy your tenderized meat. No clue. Okay, but whatever. So we got a plastic handle, which is nice, and then we have a very heavy steel shiny base. And you see it's got like this little ledge here. I don't know if that means it comes out or something. No, that doesn't do any. I don't know, maybe if I unscrew it, something happens? No, nothing. I guess it's just a meat pounder, so that's it. So pound the meat. So very heavy. Take this and bam, bam, bam. I'm not gonna do it right now. I have marble countertops and I don't have a cutting board. So, but you would do it on top of a cutting board, on top of chicken, or on top of something you wanted to make flat. Usually chicken's what I make flat. On the picture here, they show it's on a steak, I guess they're pounding it on a steak. I eat a lot of chicken, and I like my chicken nice and flat and wide and stuff like that, so this is gonna do that for me. So it's pretty cool. Actually, what I like to do is I like to buy the chicken in bulk, and then I smash it all down, make it all nice and big, and then I seal them up into little individual bags and stick them in the freezer, so then they're ready to go, all nice and thin and ready to go. So that's a little tip from Neil on the cooking part, but it seems like a nice one here, and it seems nice and stainless steel. I don't see any exposed steel parts that would rust or anything like that, so I think we're gonna be good to go on this one here. So this is going into my kitchen staples of things we'll use, probably not even putting it back in the box now because we're ready to use it. So thumbs up from me on this, and the link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.